Now that I have the vertical measuring point, I can actually begin to measure verticality here. So let's start from the 3 here and draw toward the vertical measuring point like that. Now I'm transferring the scale from this line to this one. See, the scale is even here, but when I transfer it to this line, it will be foreshortened. And this point right here will be the bottom of this object. So from that point, I'm going to draw a line to both vanishing points like this and this. I now have the bottom of this object drawn. Now I need to find the sides. Let's come over here to the right side, 2 units. You see, 1, 2. Now I'm going to line up with the right measuring point, just like we did in 2-point perspective, drawing toward the right measuring point till I come to the right reference line like that. And from that point on the right reference line, I'm drawing a line down to the vertical vanishing point. Okay, let's get the left side. Come 1 unit out to the left, and using the left measuring point, drawing like this till I come to the left reference line. This gives me then where I can draw the left side of this thing, going down to the vertical vanishing point, and to the right vanishing point here, completing this. I've got to do one more thing here on the top. When I found this side here, I also need to draw a line to the left vanishing point like that to complete that. Now, let's do one other thing. Let's grid it off and get all of the units in there. So if I start from this 1 foot, or whatever, 1 unit measurement here, I'll draw to the vertical measuring point till I come to this blue vertical reference line. And from those points, I'm drawing to the 2 vanishing points like this. And then down here from the 2nd unit, drawing up to the left vanishing point. Big mistake. Did you see a mistake there? I drew to the vanishing point. I was supposed to draw to the measuring point. Draw to the measuring point till I come to the blue vertical reference line. And from that point on the blue vertical reference line, I'll draw to the left vanishing point and to the right vanishing point, giving me these units of spacing, at least on this thing. Gridding it off, let's say. Now let's find this halfway point here by drawing from the 1 to the right measuring point like this till I touch the right reference line. Now I draw to the vertical vanishing point and to the left vanishing point like that. All right, here's what we did. We just used the center of vision as the top of this box. What would happen if we had to do that from a specific height, though? We now have this from a specific, we don't have anything specific. We just named the center of vision as the top. But what if we were seeing this, let's say it this way. Let's say these are 50-foot units, and we're seeing them from a height of 300 feet. So let's set that up. I think I have a drawing already set up for that. Oh, before we do that, let's do one more thing. Let's take a look at how to find the cone of vision. How can we determine in this perspective system what's in good perspective and what isn't? Here's how you do that. Let's come from station point 1 right here and make a 30, I'm going to use a purple pencil. Come from the station point 1 and make 30-degree angle up to the left reference line right there. That gives us the cone. Okay, let's see if my compass will open wide enough to make a circle so I could show you what part of this should be in good perspective. You know, any other buildings or things or streets that I draw will probably be pretty close to the cone of vision because this building is fairly large compared to this. Now let's see, this compass I know doesn't draw real dark lines, so try to get this in. This arc that I'm drawing here, this circle that I'm drawing, this represents the area that's considered to be in good perspective here. That's a 60-degree angle at the eye, 60 degrees left and right, up and down, and that gives you the area that's considered to be in good perspective. So I did that by using a 30-degree angle here till I came to the left reference line, and then I used the distance from there to the center of vision as the radius of a circle, and then I drew a circle. So that gives me the cone of vision. So I know what can be seen in good perspective here.